What is good, boys and girls? What's up, what's up? In this video I'll show you a free text-to-speech software for YouTube videos which you can monetize. Alright, let's go. So the website is this clipchamp.com. I'm going to show you how you can make an account from scratch and then use this software to get your text-to-speech videos. So what we need to do is click on try for free. They got different price points. You need to sign up. As you can see, the options here are Microsoft account, Google account, Facebook account, or email. I personally am going to log in with my Google account. Like this. And you need to select what your use will be of this software. I'm gonna click skip for now. And as you can see, we are already in it. It is as simple as that. Now, what you need to do is click on this option right here, create a video. Then we go to record and create. And as you can see, this is the text-to-speech option right here. Just gotta click on it, loading, and we get a wide range of languages, accents, which we can use. So as you can see, English, United States. Only for the United States we get like probably over 15 different voices. So I'm just gonna go with the main one, Jenny, show you what it sounds like. Hello, my name is Jenny and I am a real human. Haha. And let's see what it sounds like.
Hello, my name is Jenny and I am a real human. Haha.
Haha. So yeah, all right, let's do a manly voice now. Let's do a manly voice. Brandon. Hello, I am Brandon and I have crippling depression.
Hello, I am Brandon and I have crippling depression.
Alright, as you can clearly hear, some of these are better than the others. I bet there's a manly voice which sounds more natural. Hello, I am a guy.
Hello, I am a guy.
Yeah, okay, this one's way better. So, Jenny and Guy, masculine, just Guy. Is that his name, Guy? Anyway, are, I think, the best options. So, what do we have to do here? Well, after you've written your text, you can just enter it right here. What you have to do is click on Save to Media. It is importing. If you leave your cursor on top of the audio file, it's gonna start previewing it. So we just gotta click on it.
Hello.
Or not click on it, but rather click on the plus sign and add to timeline. As you can see, I added it twice. Now, after you have your audio file ready, your text-to-speech audio file ready, how can you export it? Now, bear in mind that this will export it in MP4 format, but if you already make videos, you should be, it should be very easily, you should separate audio from video very easily, is what I'm trying to say. If you have issues with it, I have a tutorial on how you can do that as well, so just check out my channel. So after you're ready with this, you want to click on export, and then you can select the highest option, which is HD. You can do it for free, and as you can see, it automatically downloads it on your PC. If we click it right here.
Hello, I am a guy. Hello, I am a guy.
See, it works, and it is as simple as that, and you can monetize your YouTube channel with this. Thank you for watching. Hope it helped you out. Make sure you like and sub. I'll see you boys next time. Boys and girls, take care.